So how far are you guys with the homework? I know Warren is still trying to finish up last week's homework and this week's homework.
I'm finished.
Okay, it was pretty
I'm
short,
also
right?
finished.
Yes.
So any questions from the homework? I know we ended with this question here, worksheet 2A, number 2, or worksheet 2B, sorry, someone asked us to do number 2, and we did it together the last time we met. Okay, and I recorded the live class, uploaded it on Google Classroom. I'm sure you guys have seen it. Hola, hola, la Lucia. Welcome, guys. Okay, any questions? Any questions from your homework before I ask you guys questions?
No, ma'am.
No questions. Okay, right. Let's see what you guys have been up to with this homework. Worksheet 2B, still under that. Number 4. Who can help us with number 4? You guys don't have problems, right? You don't have questions, nothing. Some of you are done. Who can help us with number 4? It says decrease 150 in the ratio of 4:5. So we're decreasing 150 in the ratio of 4:5. Who can help us with that one? Ola Muhammad. Or Muhammad is best friends with, someone said, was it CJ? No, it wasn't CJ. Lalusha, yes. Okay, who can do number 4 for us? Anyone? Okay, in 2 minutes, do number 4 and let me know what you get. In 2 minutes, pen and paper, do number 4, decrease 150 in the ratio of 4:5 and let me know what you get.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I know this is not um, a good time, but can I please go to the toilet?
No problem. You can. You guys, you don't have to ask me when you want to go to the bathroom, right? You can just. All right. All right, number 4, guys. 2 minutes. I'm stopping you at 10:50. I'm going to demand for answers at 10:50.
Ma'am, sorry, I didn't
Yes.
hear you. What must
Okay.
you do?
Guys, do question 4 under worksheet 2B. So do question 4 under worksheet 2B. Decrease 150 in the ratio of 4:5. So quickly in 2 minutes, pen and paper, work it out and tell me what you get. Michaela's already worked it out and is getting 120. 150 times 4/5 is equal to 120. Let's see what others are getting. Johara is also getting 120. Okay, so
It's 120, ma'am. I was also gonna write the same thing.
okay, Warren is getting 120. Fenzo is also getting 120. Sanga, sorry, is also getting 120. Oh, okay, so that's pretty easy. Oh, you guys understand this, eh? So, for those who are not getting 120, when you see such a question, the first thing that you need to do is write your ratio in the form of fraction. Remember when we started this topic, I told you guys ratios can be written in the form of fractions. So 4:5 is basically 4/5. Okay, So now you're increasing 150 in the ratio of 4:5. All you need to do is take the number you're you're decreasing and multiply by 4/5. Okay, which will give you, should I trust you guys? Is it 120? 120. Okay, I trust you guys. So 4/5 times 150. Let me do it in my head. Yes, you're right. 120. Right. Now, there is an interesting one that I want you guys to do. I think most people maybe wouldn't get this right. Number 6 of your homework. Okay. Still under worksheet. Worksheet 2B. Number 6. It says the price of a health bread. Okay, healthy bread costs 12 rands 90 cents, sorry. And it is increased in the ratio of 15 is to 17. All right. In 2 minutes, let me know what you get. What you get for that question. Increase 12 rands 90 cents in the ratio of 15 is to 17. Okay. 2 minutes. I'll stop you guys at 10:53. Pen and paper, work it out and let me know what you get. Okay. You have 1 minute left. Remember, you are increasing 12 rands 90 cents by that ratio. Anyone who's done?
Maybe it's 7,320.
7,000 from 12 rands to 7,000. No, that doesn't sound right. Uyanda is getting 17 rands. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. I don't know what the answer is. We'll do it together. Who else is done? Mohammed is getting 17 rands 20 cents. Okay. So I'm seeing 270s there. Okay, let's just see if there's anyone who has. Oh, Sia is getting 17 rands 20 as well. Interesting. Oh, okay. All right. I'm seeing a lot of 17 rands 20 cents there. Okay, let's do it and see if we get that. Oh, Michaela is also getting. Okay, majority says 17 rands 20 cents. Now, back to the same concept, we know that if you're given such a question where you're decreasing or increasing, you write your ratio in fraction form. Okay, which is 15/17. Right. And what I said in question 4, I just said you take your fraction, you multiply by 12 rands 90. Okay, when you do that quickly, what answer do you get? Do you get 17? I think you get less than 12 rands. Okay, let me fetch my calculator and calculate that. Let's see. So it's 12 rands 90 times 15 divided by 17. Okay, I was supposed to say divided by 17. So I get 11 rands and 38 cents. What do you mean I should open my video, Sia? 11
Ma'am,
rands, yes.
she wants you to switch on your camera.
Why? Next time I'll do that, Sia. Okay, so that's what I get. Why is this answer wrong? It's wrong? I need someone to tell me why that answer is wrong.
Ma'am, I figured it out. I forgot to divide.
Divide by 17.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but still the answer is wrong. 11 rands 38 cents is wrong. If you go back to the question, it's saying increase that amount by that ratio. Okay, but we have less than 12 rands. We have actually decreased it. Thank you, Lalusha. It's decreased instead of increased. Okay, so what you do in that situation, let's go back, erase that. Okay, let's go back to changing our ratio to a fraction. Okay, so if we change our ratio to a fraction, it's 15 over 17, all right? And if you put this in a calculator, you realize you get a very small decimal fraction. Okay, which is, let me do it quickly. It's 15 divided by 17. It's like 0.882. Okay, and when you multiply that by 12 rands 90, it will actually decrease your amount. So what you need to do is look at your numerator, look at your denominator. If they say increase by the ratio of 15 is to 17, and when you convert the ratio to a fraction, you realize that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Therefore, if that's the case, when you multiply the fraction you have by the amount, you're actually decreasing the amount. Okay. What you need to do now is invert your fraction so that you increase the amount you're given. By inverting, I'm just saying swap the denominator and the numerator. So when you invert, it becomes 17 over 15. Okay. Now you can multiply 17 times over 15 times the amount you are trying to increase. And when you do that, you get something like 14 rands and 62 cents. Does that make sense? The inverting of your fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if we go back to question 4, right? Remember question 4 is saying decrease 150 by the ratio of 4:5. Now 4:5, when it's written as a fraction, it's 4 over 5. Look at the numerator. It's smaller than the denominator, so we can decrease that that amount given. Okay. All right, I hope it's making sense. So if you look at number 5, increase, let's see what Michaela is saying, increase times big over small. Yes, decrease times small over big. Thank you. That's the nicest way of remembering it. Okay. So when you're increasing, it's always bigger numerator over smaller numerator. When you're decreasing, is smaller numerator over bigger numerator. All right. Any more questions there with what we've just done?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No questions.
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So you guys didn't struggle with your homework. We can do one more question. Let's do number 4 under worksheet 2C.
Ma'am,
No?
I don't know
Yes?
why, but you glitching to me.
Am I? Are you guys experiencing the same thing?
Maybe it's your Wi-Fi because it's perfectly fine for me.
Mm,
Me too. It's okay, ma'am.
okay. So probably it's your Wi-Fi, my dear. Alright, worksheet 2C. I feel like I'm spoon feeding you guys, so we'll just do number 1. I want to do the homework questions for you guys. Right, let's do number 1 and see if you guys understand this topic, ratio and rate. Okay. Okay. Number 1 says a car traveling at a constant speed covers 75 kilometers in 40 minutes. Interesting. So it covers 75 kilometers in 40 minutes. Okay. How long will it take to cover distance of 225 kilometers at the same average speed? So we are using the same average speed here to calculate the time it takes to cover 225 kilometers. In 3 minutes, I'm going to give you 3 minutes to do this one. In 3 minutes, pen and paper, do number 1 for me.
Okay, ma'am, I can hear you better now.
Okay. In 3 minutes, do number 1 under worksheet 2C. Calculate the time it covers, the time it takes to cover 225 kilometers. Rebecca, what's happening? I should zoom my screen. Okay. I don't remember how to zoom. Okay, I think this is how you zoom. There we go. Okay, 1 more minute. 1 more minute. One minute, guys. Okay, 11:05. What are you guys getting? Okay, I'll have to zoom out here so that I write down stuff on the screen. Okay, you guys are not giving me answers. Let's just work it out together. So the first thing that you need to do there is work out speed. Okay, speed. He would drive 120 minutes. Okay, Gabriel has given us the answer. So we want to work out speed first when the car travels at a constant speed and covers 75 kilometers in 40 minutes. So we need to calculate what that speed is. Okay, that constant speed. And if you want to find the speed, we know that it is always distance over your time. Okay, this is a rate. The rate at which this car is traveling. Okay, therefore we can say our speed is equal to the distance, which is 75 kilometers, over the time is 40 minutes. Okay, all right, so that will be, I prefer changing my minutes to what do you call it, to hours, but it's fine. Let's carry on like this and see what we get. What is 75 divided by 40? Right, I need a calculator. 75 divided by 40 is 1.875 kilometers per minute. Okay, now we have calculated the speed, the constant speed for this car. Okay, we need to calculate how long it will take for the same car traveling at the same speed to cover 225 kilometers. All right, that's what we need to calculate. So we need to calculate time that it covers. Okay, so time should be equal to speed times time. Sorry, speed. No. It's not speed times time. It's actually distance divided by speed. The distance covered, which is 225, right, divided by the speed, the constant speed, which is 1.875 kilometers per hour. Okay, now let's work it out. It's going to be, distance is 225 kilometers, all right, divided by 1.875 kilometers per minute. Okay, which will give you, okay, you guys are getting 120. Let's see if I'm getting that 120. So it's 225 divided by 1.875. Yes, you're right. It's equal to 120 minutes. Who can change minutes to hours for us? 120 minutes is
120 minutes is 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay, just 2 hours. All right. So I'm assuming question 2 is similar to question 1, so you guys wouldn't struggle to do question 2 and question 4 of your homework. Okay, if you're struggling, remember my number, text me, I'll assist you guys. Okay, any questions? You have 5 minutes to ask me any question.
No, ma'am.
No questions. Okay. If you guys are good, that's it from me. I'll see you guys on Friday. We'll wrap up this
Ma'am,
topic and yeah,
we
we'll
don't
see.
have you on Friday. We have you on Monday.
Oh, so this is like, okay, the last day I see you guys for the week. All right, guys, then I'll see you next week and we'll start a new topic, financial maths.
Bye,
Right,
ma'am.
financial mathematics. Bye, guys. Bye, grade 8A.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.